Hello there, you're welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to look at direct speech. We're going to be considering two important objectives. One, what is direct speech? Two, how do I identify direct speech in any given sentence? Alright, I want you to look at this sentence. Mike said, I like ice cream. In this sentence, who said something? Mike. What exactly did Mike say? I like ice cream. Therefore, we can say that I like ice cream is the exact word of Mike. Hence, what is a direct speech? Direct speech, also known as quoted speech, is when you say exactly what someone said using their own words. Now look at these sentences. 1. I'm going to the store, said John. What exactly did John say? I'm going to the store. The underlined expression there is the direct speech. Right, let's look at the second sentence. Mom said, you are resuming school in January. What exactly did Mom say? You are resuming school in January. Excellent. Alright, how do we identify direct speech in any given sentence? It has about 3 features. 1. Quotation marks to show the speaker's words. Look at this example. Are you honest? Asked the king. If you look at are you honest, you see there is a quotation mark written in red marker. So that is one thing you must observe when you are looking at direct speech. It usually has quotation marks. The opening quotation mark and the closing quotation mark. 2. A reporting verb like said, asked, or complained to introduce the speech. Look at this example. These 2 examples rather. However hard I work, I never earn extra money. Complained the poor man. You can see complained here is written in red marker. The second example, the king asked, are you honest? So you can see that ask is written in red marker to show how it is introducing the speech. Number 3, punctuation marks like commas, periods, or exclamation point to separate the speech from the surrounding text. Look at it, for example. Leave my office this minute, shouted the boss. You can see the exclamation point there. So these are ways to identify direct speech in any given sentence. Now let's do this class activity. Underline the direct speech in each of the following sentences. 1. The children asked, when are we writing our examination? What do you think the direct speech is there? When are we writing our examination? Excellent. Let's look at sentence number 2. I can swim, said Tracy. What did Tracy say? I can swim. That means I can swim is the direct speech. Beautiful. Now let's look at the third activity. Count all the textbooks on that table, instructed the teacher. What instruction did the teacher give? Count all the textbooks on that table. This is the direct speech. So, we have been able to understand the meaning of a direct speech, which is saying the exact word of a speaker. And we can identify direct speech by quotation marks. The words inside the quotation marks is the direct speech, and it's usually introduced by some verbs like said, asked, complained. And of course, it often uses punctuations like comma, exclamation mark, or question mark. Alright? So this is where we're going to stop for our lesson today.